So I got some really cute Pinteresty things from Meesho and I wanted to show you guys. First thing I got is this bangle. This is very trending right now and I really liked it. It was the first time I was shopping from Meesho and I was a little skeptical, but the quality is quite good. I don't know why I'm wearing my hair tie, but quite like the quality of it. Then I got set of these ceramic coffee mugs. I really loved them. They are very Pinteresty and aesthetic, and white, anything white, cream, off-white, beige is neutrals is something I love. So I got a set of these. Okay, so I completely forgot that there was one more product that was part of this haul itself, and I received this the very next day I ordered it. So I completely missed out on it and I was using it. In fact, while editing this video, I started using this and realized that it was also a part of this haul itself, and I've forgotten to show. So here is what I ordered. It's a daily planner, and I really saw a lot of to-do lists and everything in the product category when I was looking for it. So I thought, let me give it a try and see how this one works out for me, because I do have my own to-do lists in my iPad, but I enjoy writing things down. So I got this, and it's a pretty daily planner. It's a spiral bound. It has different categories. It has your to-do list, has a section for the top priorities, emails and calls, personal to-do list. Then it also has a section for daily schedules, notes, health, mood, everything. So I really liked this. It is very pretty and practical. So I got this one as well, and I have been using it so far. It has been serving me really well. Last but not the least, I gave into the trend of aesthetic journaling. This is what I got. Let me show you what's inside. Some postcards, like you can write your notes and stuff, stick it to the journal. And these are the timestamps. If you want to write, mark the exact time. So I've got quite a few of those. Then there's a memo pad, so pretty itself. I have quite a few of those. Got a bunch of stickers, these cute washi tapes, few more stickers, and cutouts, these envelopes. I have saved mine tickets. As if you guys are following me from quite some time, you would have seen my outfits from Prague and Budapest. So मुझे like, I so wanted to secure those tickets we bought for anything we visited, whatever we did there. I have some plane tickets and everything. So I wanted to, journal them. I wanted to like have a memory of those moments before I forget, and which is also a reason I bought this. And this is the journal. Yeah, this is the cover. It comes with the cover, which I like, and this is the pattern inside the notebook. And yeah, so my main purpose is मुझे अपने सारे tickets and all the memories and postcards that I have from my trip to Prague and Budapest, I want to capture them here. So I will be pasting all of those here, and obviously making it aesthetic. Like I will use all these washi tapes and the postcard cards it comes with to make it more memorable. There are so many things. It is beautiful. So this is my first haul from Meesho, and I'm quite impressed actually. It just came in my suggestion on Instagram, and I was like, I haven't tried ever shopping from Meesho, so let me give it a try. And I'm quite impressed. Like the quality is also good and everything. So yeah, that's my mini haul. I did not get a lot of things. I was quite skeptical also, because it was my first time shopping from this new website. So but yeah, overall it was good. Okay, thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.